Teachable now for about 8 years for all of my courses. I started with just one course, and of course, I've built up to several courses now. So, taking a look here, this is the home page of my Teachable school. So, you'll see all of my courses that are listed here. In this video, I just want to go over some of my favorite things about Teachable and why I like it. I just wanted to share that with you. And I wanted to let you know that I've been using it for years. I've tried other platforms and I've just found Teachable to be one of the easiest platforms to use. So I am a graphic designer, I am a technical person, and out of all of the different platforms that are out there, I'm always trying to find platforms that are user friendly because I want to teach others how to use those platforms. I want them to use the easiest platforms just to cut down the headache, that we all get from technology. So here we go. I just want to go over a few of my favorite things about Teachable. Again, this is my school here that you see. Below this video, there is a link for you to sign up and try Teachable for free. So listen, go ahead, try it. It is free, so you have nothing to lose. You can give it a try and see if you like the platform and go from there. Thing that I absolutely love about Teachable, or the first thing that I love about Teachable, is when you're creating courses, the dashboard is just so user friendly. It's very easy, straight to the point. You're able to build quickly with the no code course builder, and they actually have AI tools for you as well. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to act as though I'm creating a course just so that you can see. I'm not going to go in depth, but I just want you to see how easy this is. So I'm going to go to the course title and I'll just put create an online course. I'll just say that that's going to be the title. The author is selected, and I'm going to click this box that says, help me get started with AI. Okay, so click that, hit continue, and then it's telling you to go ahead and describe your course. Let's see here. So we're going to describe the course. Let's see. Help beginners to create their first online course. So I'm not going to go in depth because I don't want this to be a long video. I just want you to get an idea of how easy it is. Okay. Also, like I said, the link below this video, you can go ahead, you can click on that, you can sign up and start using it for free so that you can see how it works. Okay. So I'm just going to put this here, put generate course, and we'll see what it does. Okay, so you see that it has come up with a whole curriculum, like an outline for you. So the introduction is the introduction to the course, understand the importance of online courses, setting goals. So it's giving you an outline that you can go in and fill in. Okay, so that is what I am absolutely loving about AI. Okay, AI is not to replace us humans, it's actually to help us. Okay, so right, before AI, I would have had to generate a whole course outline, which would have been a huge headache, and it would have taken a lot of time. But now I have this course outline. I can go in and just kind of follow through, and I can even use AI to help me write my course. Okay, so that's one of the number one things that I'm loving about Teachable. First off, again, I love the dashboard. It's very user friendly, it's easy to navigate, and the AI tools that are offered now. Another thing that I absolutely love about Teachable is that it gives you the option to offer digital downloads. You can create digital downloads like ebooks, workbooks, guides, and you can actually sell them. With those digital downloads, you're able to diversify your revenue streams. You can capture more sales with ebooks, audio files, how-to guides, and so much more. This is an easy way to grow your audience because you're providing value for a low cost or even free. You're able to test out potential interest in your topic and see what works. And you can use digital downloads as order bumps, bundles, and upsells. Now, this coaching option, this is such a great option that's offered by Teachable, and I love that you can do it all in one place. So, with the coaching, you're able to add more value to your online business through a professional one-on-one coaching option. You can schedule appointments easily and keep clients on track with their goals. You can customize your business with the simple intake block and page editor, and you're able to maximize your earning potential with built-in order bumps and upsells. So the coaching option, it really allows you to go to the next level with your online academy. Again, Teachable is just overall a 10 out of 10 for me. The only way for you to find out is to go and just give it a try. So go ahead, click on the link below this video, get yourself started for free. Let me know what you think. And another thing, one great thing about Teachable is that it offers you so many resources. So I'm going to click on this resources tab and I'm going to go to the guide and how to's. And you will see there are so many guides that's offered that can help you through. So you're not alone. You can take it one day at a time. Teachable is going to help walk you through everything. So right off, you got your guide to creating your course curriculum. This guide helps you with pricing your course, digital downloads done right. I mean, listen, there's just so many things or so many guides here to help you. And then I love this one, build a mini course. So I just put my email in so that you can see these guides that they offer. They are so thorough. It's a checklist to create a mini online course. Okay, so, and look, it's so much information there. Okay, don't wait any longer. Go on, click on the link below, and get started. You've been saying that you want to create your first online course. It's free to get started, so give it a try and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're finding value and check out some of my other videos.